Is your KitchenAid dishwasher leaving standing water after a cycle? You're not alone. Drainage problems affect about 35% of dishwasher service calls. This section will guide you through diagnosing the problem and performing initial checks. First, look for any error codes on the display panel. Then, inspect the inside of the dishwasher for visible standing water and listen for unusual noises from the drain pump during the drain cycle. The most frequent causes are blockages in the filter system or drain hose. We'll start with the easiest fix, the filter. Begin by removing the bottom dish rack to access the filter assembly. Most KitchenAid models have a multi-stage filter system, including a cylindrical filter, an upper filter assembly, and a lower course filter. Remove these components and rinse them thoroughly under hot water using a soft brush to remove any stubborn debris. If the filters are heavily soiled, soak them in warm, soapy water for about 15 minutes. After cleaning, inspect the filters for any cracks or damage that might require replacement. Reassemble the filter system in the correct order, ensuring each component is properly seated. Run a test cycle to see if this resolves the drainage issue. Regular filter cleaning every 2 to 3 months can eliminate 70% of drainage problems. This simple maintenance step can save you from costly repairs and keep your dishwasher running efficiently. If cleaning the filter doesn't solve the drainage problem, the next step is to inspect the drain hose and pump system. These components are critical for proper water removal from your dishwasher. The drain hose connects your dishwasher to either the garbage disposal or sink drain. Start by visually inspecting the hose for any obvious problems that could restrict water flow. Check the hose systematically for kinks, bends, cracks, or holes. Also verify that all clamp connections are secure at both ends of the hose. A critical aspect of drain hose installation is the high loop. This must be positioned at least 20 inches above the floor to prevent dirty water from backing up into the dishwasher. If you find damage such as cracks or holes in the hose, replacement is necessary. Always use original equipment manufacturer parts to ensure proper fit and performance. If the drain hose appears clear but drainage problems persist, the issue is likely with the drain pump. The pump is responsible for actively removing water from the dishwasher. Accessing the drain pump requires removing the dishwasher's front panel and insulation. Before starting, always disconnect power at the circuit breaker and photograph electrical connections for proper reassembly. Once you have access to the pump, systematically test each component. Use a multimeter to check motor continuity and inspect the impeller for debris or damage that could prevent proper operation. Common pump problems include foreign objects jamming the impeller, worn seals causing leaks, or complete motor failure. If the pump is faulty, replacement is often the most cost-effective solution. After repairing or replacing the pump, carefully reassemble all components in reverse order. Ensure all connections are secure. Then run a test cycle to confirm the dishwasher is now draining correctly. With proper inspection and repair of the drain hose and pump system, your KitchenAid dishwasher should now drain effectively, completing the repair process successfully.